as you can see, these are real replicas of gold jewelries. Many times, it's a little tough for us to, actually purchase these stuff. So if you want to order, if you can see, I'll just show you this. This is like a kundan set, okay, and this has proper, Meenakari work at the back. So if you have any requirement for specific kundan designs, you can reach out to us. We can send you a quotation, and based on that also you can order. So it's just not about standing out, it's also preserving the ethnic culture and fashion trends of India. Hi everyone. So this is Be Dazzling, and what is special about us is our handcrafted, uniquely designed jewelries. As you can see, there is kundan, there is natural stone, there are these Meenakari jewelries. I'll just move it over here for you to take a look. So these are, as you see, these are all very old traditional form of ethnic jewelry, which has been transpired into more fashion and handcrafted. These are very uniquely, done, so that it kind of helps you stay unique. We all deserve to kind of be ourselves, and it kind of, the style is designed in a way where that you can actually find everything for yourself. It's very differentiated. These are all handcrafted, and our endeavor is to support Make in India and reach out to artisans directly. Each purchase, what we do is we give you a thank you card, and as you can see, these are the budget ranges, the budget collections. This is enamel work. This is enamel work. If you can see, we also have brass jewelries over here. Unfortunately, we are not carrying that. These are more the Bollywood style of jewelries. And then over here, this is very stylish, high fashion. You can make it very classy with both your Indo-Western outfits. These are more traditional. This is a mother of pearl jewelry, if you can see. It's completely made with pearls. I'll just open, you'll understand with this that it is complete mother of pearls. Very, the craftsmen have taken a lot of time to kind of build this entire, this section. And I can promise you something, that most of the jewelries will be one or two of a kind, like it will be not more than that, and some of them will be so unique you'll have only one piece. This is sunstone. This is sunstone, so this will be only one of a kind. You'll not get a replica of this. So if you actually buy from Be Dazzling, what you get is something very differentiated, which is you, and you kind of stand out in a crowd, just being yourself, communicating yourself well, and adorning fashionable jewelry from Be Dazzling. Thank you.
Sunday morning, it's the best time to explore. শীত কমে গেছিল, কিন্তু আবার একটু ভালোই শীত পড়ছে, এন্ড শীতে তো ঘুরতে তো দারুণ লাগে। তো আজকে সকালবেলা ভাবলাম যে বেরিয়ে পড়া যাক আরেকটা দারুণ এক্সিবিশন দেখতে। কোথায় এলাম? এটা এখন এসেছি দেশপ্রিয় পার্কের এখানে। দেশপ্রিয় পার্কের খুব কাছাকাছি হচ্ছে একটা দারুণ এক্সিবিশন, গেঞ্জেস আর্ট গ্যালারি। সেই আর্ট গ্যালারিতে কিন্তু একটা দারুণ এক্সিবিশন হচ্ছে, যেটা আপনাদের আমি দেখাবো। সত্যি এইটা একটা দারুণ জায়গা। মানে এইখানে মর্নিং এ এত সুন্দর, কি বলবো, ক্রিকেট খেলা হয়, বিভিন্ন রকম খেলা হচ্ছে এখানে, এন্ড এই জায়গাটা সত্যি এত ভালো লাগে, কি বলবো। এটা হচ্ছে বেসিক্যালি দেশপ্রিয় পার্ক। আপনারা সবাই চেনেন, যারা সাউথে থাকেন তারা তো খুব ভালো করেই চেনেন, অ্যান্ড যারা নর্থে থাকে তারাও পুজোর সময় তো ডেফিনেটলি এখানে এসছেনই। তো যাই হোক, আমি এখানে যে কারণে এসছি, এটা হচ্ছে এখানে একটা দারুণ এক্সিবিশন, যেটা আপনাদের বললাম, সেটা হচ্ছে এর ঠিক পাশে। এটা হচ্ছে স্প্রিং ফ্লি, অ্যান্ড এই এক্সিবিশনটায় শুধু যে ফ্যাশন লাইফস্টাইল সেটা নয়, অনেক ফুড প্রোডাক্টস বা আরও অনেক প্রোডাক্টস কিন্তু এখানে অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, অ্যান্ড বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রোডাক্টস এখানে কিন্তু আছে। আমি সেটা আপনাদের দেখাবো অবশ্যই। তো অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন, আর লাইক করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন ভিডিওটাকে, যত পারেন আপনার বন্ধুবান্ধব, রিলেটিভ সবার সাথে। আর অবশ্যই দেখতে থাকুন। আমি একটু যাই, একটু খেলাফেলা দেখে নিই, তারপর আপনাদের এক্সিবিশনটা দেখাচ্ছি। যাকে আপনাদের কাছে এক্সিবিশনটা আসছে, অবশ্যই দেখতে থাকুন, আর অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিন।
So this brand is Desi Nari. They deal in handcrafted pure linen stoles and pure Bengal Mal handcrafted stoles. So all of this display different and exquisite embroidery on them. You can see some are ribbon work, some are sequence works, and different type of expertise is used in order to make these artisanal stoles.
Hi, this is my brand name Dazzling Decor, and this is my ceramics products. Different types of vases is there, different types of cups, soup bowls, and many scented candles. This one I have coconut shell candles. This one is real Hupton jars. You can try, guys. and this is lemongrass, rose, and this is many different types of vases, tea set, cooler chai, bowl set, tray set, and many more items are there. Thank you.
I have a macrame handmade brand. We make all of these by ourselves. We have a team, and these are the macrame is a European art form that is coming to India. We make all handmade decor, gifting items, dream catchers, evil eye stuff. Yeah. We have something like this also, like for your hangings, for your home decor, for your car decor, dream catchers, seven chakra catchers. So anything to heal the energy of your house and your space and to beautify it. Everything. We customize products also. We do nameplate hangings also, and anything that you want in terms of home decor and gifting.
So I have some books over here. These start at 250, and then I give a discount if you buy more. It's so if you I have a buy more save more policy here. So if you buy more than one book, I'll make it 200. But then there's some collectibles over here like this Beatles book. So this is a little more than 200. It goes for 999. Then I have some phone charms over here. Those start at 150. These are all handmade. I made them myself, and these are some bookmarks, and these are some stickers. Okay, here I made this myself. These are like painted bookmarks, and these are hand pressed flowers. Okay, these are all bookmarks as well. So I think you've seen this in the street carnival. Yeah, this is a blind date with a book. Over here, I do this so that you don't judge a book by its cover, and so you discover new authors and everything. But I do not want you to go into it completely blind. So I've given you some hints on the cover so that you pick a book that you'd actually like and enjoy.
हेलो, मैं लगे से बोझा से बोलूँ। हमारे पास कोलकाता का बंगाल का सारा आइटम मिलेगा, जो आपका कॉटन से लेके सिल्क, तसर एंड अबाउट हर एक आइटम मिलेगा, जो आप ये देख सकते हो। हमारे पास ये कॉटन का प्योर चंदेरी के ऊपर में होगा। देन तसर में भी हमारे पास जो बालूचूड़ी का हैंडवर्क का आएगा, एंड बागरू प्रिंट में आपके पास 1250 के रेंज में कम दाम में सारे मिलेंगे। एंड देन बनारस के भी हमारे पास आइटम है जो ऑल कम दाम से स्टार्टिंग होंगे। एंड हमारे पास प्योर मॉडल सिल्क में भी साड़ी होंगे, जो आप देख सकते हो, प्योर मॉडल सिल्क अजरक प्रिंट के ऊपर, एंड लेलिन साड़ी, तसर अबाउट आपका बनारसी का भी साड़ी होगा, एंड ऑल आइटम हमारे पास मिलेंगे। देन हमारा फेसबुक लाइव भी एंड होता है, एंड वेबसाइट भी होगा। फेसबुक के लिए आप हमारा नंबर भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हो, 8017170431, एंड वेबसाइट www.legacyoposis.com।
Hi everyone, this is Musarrat here. We have an Instagram page, The Korean Shopper. This is our products. We have all variety. Okay, this is face wash. This is face wash. This is cream, day cream, night cream. This is sunscreen. Okay, this is body lotion, and this is tan cream. This is ampoule, face serum, hair product, skin product. These all skin product. This is face masks. This is face mask, and this is all cosmetics.
Yeah, so our outfit is called Vision Sync, and what we have is toolkits for sort of manifesting your goals. So we're starting with a vision board, but apart from that, we have a vision boarding planner, a habit tracker, a mood tracker, and then we also have like a calendar for sort of goals, and then magnets as affirmation magnets as well. Those are the magnets, and bookmarks for affirmations as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a vision boarding session with her. So we're going to start with a vision board which sits like a tabletop calendar. So what's in your mind right now in 2024?
For 2-3 years I've been trying to focus on one thing, but I get carried away and I want to focus on 3 things at
That's
once.
okay. So this is your life goal.
That's okay.
I have to.
And we can time block it separately as well. So what do you want to sort of
So
look
I
at?
have to grow my ventures.
Okay.
Tarot reading brand, which goes with a line of products that are holistic and healing products.
So do you want to like choose this one for growth, or these are the side hustles that we have? Because you want to be like well known, etc.
Yeah, well known.
Wherever you think.
Yeah.
Then I want to give time to some of my hobbies,
Okay.
like yoga.
You want to do yoga. We did have something for health. You have the tarot reading as well, right? So you wanted
This one.
is that the tarot reading one? Okay.
And you said health, right? You wanted to do yoga?
Yes, this one.
Can we use another one?
Sure, you want to like.
So this reminds me that I have to stick
You have to keep doing that.
Yes.
Perfect.
travel.
It's taking shape now.
You want travel. Okay, let's see. Perfect. There is yoga here as well.
Okay.
Anything else on your mind?
Wow, that's really taking shape now.
Hi, my name is Vinita Tudheria and this is my setup. All the desserts are handmade. Everything is eggless and we do it from our studio that is in Howrah. We deliver all across Kolkata. So these are caramel blondies and mixed berry blondies. These are red velvet cupcakes. These are chocolate and vanilla cupcakes where we customize the toppings. Those are eggless cheesecakes. These are strawberry cakes. And then we have dry cakes, choco sandwich cookies, pineapple cookies, and chocolate truffle jars. And we have been doing this from the last 7 years, and rest is history. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, my name is Simran. So basically I'm into like creating fake food products. These are fridge magnets where you can get it customized as per your flavor and preferences. This one is ashtray. These are trinklets. And above we have like paintbrush holders, chopstick holders, candles. Candles are all based on food products. Then we have trinklets. And we have incense stick holders, flower pot holders, candle holders. We have fake fruit soap products, and above we have keychains and earrings. These are earrings, these are keychains with the vases along the study table or a fake fruit like thing.
Hi, my name is Marian Pereira and this is my brand La Belle Jeanette. I deal primarily in gemstones and in semi-precious gemstones and crystals and healing essentials as well. So I have anything from emeralds over there, to amethyst, to onyx, carnelian, all kinds of gemstones and jewelry created from gemstones. So I have a range of healing bracelets as well. So I have my zodiac bracelets. These are all according to your birth month, and this is the 7th chakra, which aligns all the chakras in your body. I've got bracelets for specific needs, for money, for self-confidence, and then I have these are the single gemstone bracelets like carnelian. Yeah, these are uncut, these are chips. Those are as well uncut and polished tumble beads of emerald. I have a little higher range of gem grade, and these are faceted bracelets as well. So these are handmade by me. I make these myself. I get the raw material and I make it. I've got Ganeshas and Shivlings also made of gemstones. These are cubes. These are agarbatti stands, but also represent the four corners of your home, and it's got a lot of spiritual value. So each of these stones have some kind of spiritual value that you can use on your table, as well as use it for spiritual purposes when you're using agarbatti in your puja room or somewhere in your home. I do have fossils as well. These are like 15-16 million year old fossils. This is Kuber stone. These are ammonites. These are very, very old, really prehistoric pieces that I've got. Yes, very, very antique, and I have a great demand for that as well. I have some mushrooms and other stuff for children. These are, the boys mostly go for this kind of stuff. So there are double terminated pendulum pendants, and I've got spiders and all. This is the funky stuff for the younger kids. And then the more senior ladies, they go in for these chip necklaces, which have a very beautiful look overall. Thank you so much. Please.
Hi, this is Pakhi Dupatta. So we have a variety range of different kinds of dupatta. Those are for the wedding purpose and for the daily purpose as well. So we have, fulkari dupattas. If you can see, these are the vibrant colors in that. So these are from the Punjab side. So these are heritage of Punjab. So we have different varieties of fulkari dupattas in that. You can go in the range, like a variety of ranges are there. So you can go for like a daily purpose, and then you can go for the wedding purpose as well. So we have different, like this one is our best seller. These are on the base of cotton and with the work of jari. These are Pakistani dupattas only, and these are our luxury range, which are vibrant in colors. So if you can see that these are in different colors. So we have variety of range in that. Yeah. So these are for the daily purpose. Price ranges are start from 800 to 1500, and this one fulkari dupattas are little higher because they are handmade. These are around like 1500 to 2000 rupees. So we have a daily basis dupattas also. So these, if you can see that, these are very light weighted ones. You can wear it on a daily basis. Yeah, these ones. So these are the vibrant colors we have. So you can visit us on the Instagram or you can DM. So we have, yeah, these are our collection. So hope to see you again. Thank you.
Hi, this is Khushbu here. I'm a biotechnologist by profession. I'm a bioscience researcher. I was working with Unilever for a good number of years, and clothes have always been my passion. So this is something which I started after relocating to Calcutta from Bangalore. Ideal and modern Indian ethnic wear. You can see a fusion style. My attires are very beautiful and at a very affordable range. So this is my brand. It's called Fa and Fee. Do follow me on Instagram and stay tuned and check out my products. I'll just take you around through some of my products. These are like very pretty cord sets. I'll be also exhibiting from home. I'm located in Baligan Circular Road. Do visit from Tuesday to Saturday this week. We have something in the casual range. So this is more in the casual side, and the line is very affordable. Yeah, these are the Thank you. Do follow.
Hi, this is Shruti Agarwal from Contribution. So I'm an energy transformationist and I've been with it since 2005, more than I would say 2 decades. And everything is energy, we know. We have the capacity, each one of us, to change the energies. I'm an international access consciousness certified facilitator, and this place is all about that. So what is access consciousness? It has 32 points on the head, if you can just see. And when we gently touch those 32 points on our head, we release all the stress about finances, relationships, health, which all of us are going through. With the minimum session of 45 minutes, you would feel that you've actually had a good nap or a sleep. So come for a session of Access Bars with me. On Thursdays, I have a gift session which is there for 20 years. I do not charge on Thursdays. Along with it, I'm an international law of assumption coach and a numerologist. So how your numbers can change your destiny in your love life, in your business, everywhere. Connect with me. Signing off from Contribution, Shruti Agarwal. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you.
হ্যালো, আমার ব্র্যান্ডের নাম ছাতিম। আমি জয়নী। আমার যে কালেকশনস রয়েছে সেগুলো সবকটাই সিলভার রেপ্লিকা, প্লাস আমি কিছু নিউ কালেকশনস লঞ্চ করেছি উইচ ইজ পিওর সিলভার 92.5। আমার যে কালেকশন সেগুলো মূলত সবকটাই মানে ছোট থেকে বড়, মিনিমালিস্টিক থেকে এবং বড় যে ভিন্টেজ কালেকশন সমস্তটাই রয়েছে, প্লাস আফগানি রয়েছে, নতুন লঞ্চ করেছি হ্যামার ব্রাস সেটা রয়েছে। সো যে কোনো অ্যাটায়ার অর্থাৎ শাড়ির সঙ্গে বা যদি কোনো বহু লুক ক্রিয়েট করতে চাও সেটার সঙ্গে এভরিথিং, যে কোনো ধরনের ক্লদিং তুমি ক্যারি করতে চাও সেটার সঙ্গে যাতে খুব ভালো যায়। সো আমি সমস্ত রকমের প্রোডাক্টের দিকে আমি মোটামুটি একটু নজর দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেছি। থ্যাংক ইউ।
হাই, আমি সৌমি। আমার ব্র্যান্ডের নাম হচ্ছে হাউস অফ পোশাকি, অ্যান্ড আই ডু বেসিক্যালি লখনৌ চিকেন কারি। আই মেক লখনৌ চিকেন কারি, আমি বানাই। তো আমার কাছে রয়েছে বিভিন্ন ধরনের লখনৌ চিকেন কারি, শাড়ি অ্যান্ড কুর্তি। শাড়িজ আছে অর্গেনজা উইথ গোটাপত্তি, হ্যাঁ চিকনের ওপরে গোটাপত্তি কাজ আছে, এটাকে একটু বুঝতে পারবেন, ভীষণ সুন্দর কালেকশনস ফর পার্টি ওয়্যার। অ্যান্ড চন্দেরি শাড়িতে আমি লখনৌই কাজ করেছি, সাথে একটা হালকা লেস বর্ডার দিয়েছি বিকজ অফ পার্টি ওয়্যার, যদি একটা ক্লাসি একটা সাটল লুক দেওয়ার জন্য। সাথে কোটা আছে আমার কাছে, কোটাতে মুকেশের কাজ আছে, মুকেশের কাজগুলোতে একটা তারের কাজ হয় যেটা খুব সুন্দর এবং সাটল এবং পার্টি লুক দেয়। অ্যান্ড জর্জেটের ওপরে চিকনেরও কাজ আছে। সো আমার কাছে বিভিন্ন ধরনের কালেকশনস আছে। সাথে আছে কুর্তিতে কাটদানা ওয়ার্ক, কাটদানার কাজ আছে, ভিসকোস ফেব্রিকের ওপরে কাটদানা, অ্যান্ড নর্মাল ভিসকোসও আছে আমার কাছে। অ্যান্ড সাথে রয়েছে বিভিন্ন ধরনের মোডাল কালেকশনস। আমি মোডাল কালেকশনস ভীষণ সফট অ্যান্ড সোবার কালেকশন, সামার ওয়্যারের জন্য ভীষণভাবে প্রেফারেবল। মলমল কোয়ার্ড সেট আছে যেটাও সামার কালেকশনের জন্য ভীষণভাবে ভালো।
সত্যি এক্সিবিশনটা দারুণ, অসম, মানে কোনো কথা হবে না। তো আশা করি আপনাদের ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগেছে। ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক করবেন, শেয়ার করবেন বন্ধু বান্ধব সবার সাথে, আর অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেবেন। আর আমার চ্যানেলে কিন্তু এখন দারুণ ভিডিও কিন্তু আছে, অনেক ভিডিও আছে, তাই প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিও স্ক্রল ডাউন করে দেখে নিন, আর অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিন। খুব তাড়াতাড়ি দেখা হচ্ছে নতুন কোনো ভিডিওর সাথে, ততদিন সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন।